Want to know how to change or edit your tip options but don't know how? I'm Potsch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So let's start here from the dashboard. From here, you're going to go down to the settings menu. Now, from the settings menu, we're going to make sure we're on business settings. Now, to edit our tip configuration, let's go down and just look for tip configuration. So to edit these settings, we're just going to click on the pencil icon here. And now we can set what we'd like to allow our delivery tip to, what you'd like to allow your pickup. If you want to enable the pickup tip, you can put that as well. You can turn those off as well if you'd like by clicking off the toggle. And you can also allow a cash tip or toggle it off if you don't want to allow cash tip. And you can also allow a custom tip if you want customers to be able to put in the amount that they'd like to tip. Now, another tip from that is that here you can see there's only three options: 5%, 10%, 15%. Same for the allow pickup tip, which is 5%, 10%, and 15%. Now, if you want to edit these options and put in your own amounts, all you have to do is go down here to the tip levels. Now, if you want to change all or change one, all you have to do is just exit, just click the X, and put in your own tip. So, for example, 18%. Now, once you put in the 18, you just click out, and now 18 will be available here in this box. So you can only put up to three amounts here because there's three levels. For more CityHive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.